Hello students, I am MD Tanveer Alam from Oriental Public School. Today we will start our English main course book. We are going to study the poem The Road Not Taken. First of all, we have to know about the poet. The poet of this poem is Robert Frost, who was born on 26th March 1874 in San Francisco. After the death of his father, he moved to Massachusetts with his mother and sister. He was much too interested in reading and writing poetry during his high school years. He had assumed different occupation in his life. He had also worked as an editor. His first published poem was My Butterfly, appeared in a New York newspaper. Now we are coming to the central idea of the poem. The poet, through this poem, talks about the struggle while making decision in life. He says that there are two paths to follow. The path in which everyone walks, or the choice opposite of the crowd. The poet says it depends on person to person whether he or she has to take the crowded path or to take the other road that is less crowded and easy to succeed. The poet here gives the readers one suggestion that one should do something different from others because everyone does the ordinary thing. At the end, the poet, as a traveler, uses the second path, which is less crowded and easy for him, and suggested to do the same to us. Theme of the poem: one day the poet was traveling all alone and reached a point where it divided into two parts. The road was divided into two roads. He stopped for some time and was deciding which path I should take to go further. After some time, he decided to take the path which was less crowded, since he wants to do something different and extraordinary in life, which can lead him to the better future. He says once a person takes decision and starts the journey of his life, again he cannot change it. So one must take the decision carefully. The poem is completely based on the career decision. Students, now we are coming to the paragraphs, stanzas. The first stanza of the poem is: two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it went in the undergrowth. The summary of the stanza is: in this paragraph, the poet says that once he was traveling alone through a path which was covered from both sides with yellow woods, yellow forest, or after some distance he saw that the way divides into two ways, and one way was seen clearly in the bend of the forest. So he stopped for some times and was deciding for the option to choose. Now we are coming to the second stanza. This stanza says, then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, though as for that the passing deer had warned them really about the same. In this stanza, the poet says, this stanza describes that the poet selected the second way, which he looked better and probably had the better future in life. He says that the new way was grassy and very few people had traveled through that way. Though both had been used in the same way up to where he had been used. Now, in the third stanza, the poet says, the third stanza is, and both that morning equally lay. In lips no steps had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. In this stanza, the poet says that morning the way was fresh, no one had traveled through that path. He left the first way for the next day and selected the second way. He says that the second way of life was less crowded than the first way. So it is better to